as we can see with them on the journey. We don't know what we are going to do today, but we are just taking up on the journey.
Yeah, we're up on the road today. We are going like Kingston region.
Yeah.
So just check in if you want to go on the road.
Yeah.
We're in Subaru we are road today.
Yeah.
Sure, Subaru we are drive today, you see it? Yeah, man. And we are going on. What how much? 140.
We're going to do bad gold digger prank today.
People, as you can see, I do a voice over. See my cars. Never get really do as much talking and I mostly drive, we did a drive, see me? Drive he almost the whole day people, so you know that already people more gonna help me get the channel to 1,000 subscribers by end of April people, please now be gonna do. You see me? Whole part did content. Just show me kinda busy right now. You see me, but you don't know a thing already. Go and put in your record thing. You see me, so we just there. Just a record. You see me, so just stay tuned and watch the video and share it.
There, see him here. Stop at one place here. On the toll, you see me, so the link on the back when we did something. See machine. See. Bad toll digger, you see. So yeah. Just right back in the car now. Mr. Walker there. You see me? So they're on the chain, so we continue the journey. See, make sure you subscribe. Result me now postcard. You don't know. Kind of busy and things, but look up for some work on hot day, isn't it? Just look up for some work on hot day. See me, isn't it? I'll take something for the future. This I never really, this I just keep the channel active, you see me people? This I not really, you see me, just have to just keep the channel active, you see me, so just, you know the thing already, just keep the channel active, you see me, you do that. Yeah, I don't know, wait, I did some. Make sure you like the video, share. Look out for your
People
mad
tell
bad
me on the
video.
notice.
Soon.
No must have say how Marston upside down, but the rush me going in the supermarket with people, we just throw on a master.
There.
Using people. You know,
LB Nation, Screechy Nation, big up on the circle. One nation like all the time.
people so after everything, they head back home and thing, cause as me I say, I'm mostly driving. Using people, so never really get to stop a whole heap of places. But if you subscribe to each channel, doesn't me? Man, they played it good still. See, they turn out nice and thing. Yeah, man. We there and I cut on the tool, you know, for head back home and thing. You see me? Man, just go and watch and dip on the highway, you see me, people. Just knock it. Never really. people who make it to any video, like, share and subscribe. Remember to leave a comment. Very important. You see me? Leave some hope a comment when I get a bad video. Before you go, follow my TikTok. Follow my Instagram. Link are in the description. Follow my business page, Kirkland Visual. 3 links are in the description.